Before we embark on this question, let's revise on what is a rational number and what is an irrational number. Okay? What we study here in secondary school math is all called real numbers. Okay, real numbers are all the numbers that can be represented on a number line. Okay, real number. Now, if you go to JC, you will also study something called imaginary number. Okay, so between real number, there are two types of numbers. One is rational and one is irrational. Okay, and in rational, there's three types. One, as long as you are a whole number, you are rational. Or if you can be expressed as a fraction, you are rational. Or if you can be expressed as a recurring decimal. Okay? Because if you can be expressed as a recurring decimal, the most common recurring decimal is 0.33333, and we know that this guy is equal to 1/3. 1/3 is a fraction. Okay? A fraction can also be expressed as 3/4, and this will become a terminating decimal. So a terminating decimal is also a rational number. Recurring, okay, decimal or terminating. That means it has an end. Alright. Whole number, don't need to say. We have the positive integer and the negative integer. Okay, remember your natural number, okay, start from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. Okay? So, irrational number means non-recurring, non-terminating decimal. Things like your pi, which is 3.14 dot 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 dot, it goes all the way never to the end. Things like your square root 2, okay, when you key into a calculator, 1.414 dot 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 dot, it will never end. Okay, so things that doesn't end, it goes to a irrational number. Okay, anything else is all rational. Okay, so if you look at this question, it's quite straightforward. What are those that are rational? 3, yes. 3/2, yes, because it's a fraction. Negative 5/6, yes, as long as it's a fraction, whether is it positive or negative, it is. 0, yes, because 0 is considered a whole number. 0.25, yes, because 0.25 is a terminating decimal, and 0.25 can be expressed as 1/4. Okay, be careful. Next one, cube root 8. Use your calculator. If you're not confident, cube root 8, you get equals to 2. So this is also a rational number. Okay, and then 19 is also a rational number. So what are the irrational numbers? It's just pi. Okay, and square root 2. Alright, maybe I just talk a little bit more about it. I came across this in students' exams question. If I have square root 2 multiplied by, let's say, square root 8. Yeah, this is one of the options given to them to choose whether it is a rational or irrational number. Okay, now at first it seems like it is an irrational number because both of the numbers are irrational. Square root 2, if you key into a calculator, is 1.414. Square root 8, if you key into calculator, is 2.82 something. So both are irrational. But however, when you multiply them together in your calculator, this equals to 4. Okay, the rational is square root 2 times square root 8 is actually equals to square root 16, which is equals to 4. So this number is rational. Okay, so remember what is your rational number and what are your irrational number.